Hello everyone, this is Scarlett from Acer. Today we came to CTS to specialize in lithium battery, and this is manager Alan. Hello Alan.
Hi, I'm Alan. I'm from the CTS Battery. This is our office. I'm going to introduce our office briefly.
CTS Battery established in 2011. Since then, we have been focused on one-stop customization to lithium battery products. We are capable of R&D and manufacturing lithium battery systems for electric vehicles, marine applications, industrial and commercial energy storage systems. CTS has always been supplying high-quality products. After 10 years of the development, the plant has a construction area of 10,000 square meters and annual capacity of 500 megawatts, which can meet the demand of most customers.
So Alan, what's this area?
This is an assembly line for our battery modules, all automatically, and it will be passed to the next stage for the laser welding.
Okay.
We have automatic production line that combines battery assembly, testing, and finished product packaging. The battery cells are assembled here into modules. Then it will be passed to the laser welding after being extruded. This is our laser welding equipment. The welding point is accurate, firm, without desoldering, which guarantees the safety and the stability of the battery. We also have the spot welding equipment for cylindrical cells.
So Alan, what's this area?
This is the test area, and our engineers are sitting there to test the battery's performance regarding the discharge and charging.
We have professional battery design team including structural engineers, BMS engineers, and harness engineers. We can provide 3D drawings and 3D simulation before the production. CTS is a professional battery manufacturer that could make OEM battery pack from 12 volt to 800 volts, 10 amp hour to 1000 amp hour, which can be used in electric trucks, cars, boats, motorcycle, energy storage systems, etc. If you have any battery inquiry, welcome to contact CTS Battery.
Acer.com. Make global trade easier.